Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Binary Wealth Academy, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can find short trades in the market without using any indicators by using only your knowledge and price action. So let's get started. But before that, if you want to learn trading, please join our Telegram group. Link is in the comment. You won't regret it joining. So let's start trading. As you can see, market target is above. I place it down trade in the uptrend, as I know sellers are above my level, and this trade is gonna be short win guys, because sellers shows their position above my level where I place trade of down. This can become a green but cannot exceeds our trade levels. I am 100% sure guys, this trade is gonna be our first win trade of the day. This candle can become a green, but it can become only a green doji or a hammer or a spinning top, but cannot exceeds our trading position. As you can say guys, we made a profit of $192 by putting only $100. Oh sorry, $92. Here we place a trade of $1000, as I am sure that three candle rejected from that same level. So this candle is gonna be short win guys, short win. I am 100% sure that this candle is gonna become red. This is my personal experience. When three candles rejected from the level, fourth candle will become a opposite candle. So let's see guys, I put my $1000 on this trade. This is gonna be short guys, and if you want to learn trading like this, you can join our Telegram channel where we teach you how to take only short trades. And if you don't find that edge in the trading, you can join our Telegram group, link in the comment section. So let's see here I took a trade if this candle closes above this level. Only then we will go for upside. I have 4 reasons to take this trade. As you can see, here is the higher low level and the key engulfing level and 50% of the green candle. From now I took a trade of upward direction. It will become a 100% short green candle guys, because I know it will become green, as I gave my 5 years in this market. As you can see, many people think that it will become a red, and it had no chances to become green. Let's see guys, this candle is gonna be short win, because I have 5 reasons to validate this trade. As you can see, this has to be close in green guys. This is my trade guys. How can I lose with this 5 year of experience? I know. As you can see, this candle all the way goes here and come and become green, because we have knowledge guys. As you can see, it fulfills the target. Now we have to change the chart, as there is no more trading opportunity in here. Let's find another market. This is not the trading chart we are searching for. Let's find another. Here market is in the downtrend continuously. Yes, here we can find another trade of up direction. If this candle closes, yes, this candle creates gap down and a gap down under the level, so that's why we are going for call option. This trade is also short guys, and if you want to learn this short trading strategy, you can join our Telegram channel where you cannot have to worry about your losses. First you have to gain knowledge. You can make unlimited amount of money and can recover your losses. And if you don't become profitable within 30 days of joining our Telegram group, we will give you twice the money you pay for us for the course. Let's see guys. And within 1 week of joining Telegram group, you will be able to make, I don't exaggerate this amount, but many of our clients make $1,000 in the first week of joining the Telegram channel and learning and purchasing our course. So it's a win-win situation, and every penny you spend on the course, you will get 10 or 20 times the returns in only the first week of purchasing the course. So it's your call guys now, if you want to learn trading or not, or if you just want to gambling in up and down direction. Here we can find opportunity. No, let's find another market. We only take short trade guys. Here we find another short trade guys. As you can see here, market is in the uptrend, and as you can see here, market is in the impulsive wave, and here market is, this candle is gonna become red but cannot exceed our level. This is called marginal safety trade. We will win this trade short guys. As you can see here, market struggles a lot to go below our level, but we know guys, this candle is not gonna break our level where we place trade.